Welcome to Everyday English Insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in storytelling and communication, the past tense. This structural guide will help you not only understand the four types of past tenses but also apply them effectively with real-world examples. Let's get started. Past tense is used to describe actions or events that are completed. It's vital for clear narration, storytelling, historical descriptions, and reporting past events. We'll break down the four key categories: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Mastering these will transform the way you communicate past experiences. Let's start with the past simple tense. Structure: subject plus V2, the past form of the verb. Usage: this tense is used for actions completed at a specific point in the past. Example: she visited Mumbai last year. This tense marks a clear, finished event. The key to using it is the correct V2 form of the verb. It provides a definite, historical context and is the most common past tense in English. Now, let's look at the past continuous tense. Structure: subject plus was or were plus verbing. Usage: it describes actions that were ongoing in the past, often interrupted by another action. Example: I was studying when the lights went out. This tense paints a vivid picture of duration, showing a scene as it unfolds. It's great for storytelling and adding depth to your past narratives. Next up, the past perfect tense. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle. Usage: use this when you are talking about an action that happened before another action in the past. Example: they had finished dinner before the guests arrived. This tense is all about sequence, clarifying what happened first. It's especially helpful in complex storytelling or cause and effect situations. Now let's explore the past perfect continuous tense. Structure: subject plus had been plus verbing. Usage: this tense emphasizes the duration of an activity that continued up to a point in the past. Example: he had been working at Infosys for 5 years before he moved. It highlights the flow and continuity of a past action. Use it when you want to show how long something was happening before something else occurred. Let's compare the structures side by side. Past simple: subject plus V2, we played cricket. Past continuous: subject plus was, were plus verb ing, she was cooking. Past perfect: subject plus had plus V3, I had left before 8 p.m. Past perfect continuous: subject plus had been plus verb ing, they had been studying for hours. This summary makes it easy to revise and distinguish between each form at a glance. Let's see these tenses in action with real-world examples. Past simple: Sachin scored a century in 1998. Past continuous: people were running when it started raining. Past perfect: the train had left when we reached the station. Past perfect continuous: the company had been growing rapidly until 2020. These examples bring grammar to life. Notice how each sentence sets a different time frame and context. Confused about when to use which tense? Here's a guide. Use past simple for finished actions with known time. Use past continuous to set the scene or show interrupted actions. Use past perfect to show one action happened before another. Use past perfect continuous to highlight how long an action lasted before something else happened. Choosing the right tense gives clarity to your timeline and message. Here are some tips to master the past tense. Pay attention to time markers: yesterday, before, while, when. Practice describing your own past experiences. Watch movies or read books to spot how past tenses are used. Speak and write regularly to strengthen your grammar instinct. Remember, consistent practice is the key to fluency. Observe how native speakers use these tenses and apply them in your communication. Let your learning journey be active, curious, and confident.